This video is for class 9 physics, and today we are discussing about the weather forecast by the use of a barometer. Okay. The atmospheric pressure at a place is affected by the change in temperature and the amount of water vapor present in air at that place. So these two factors here, temperature and the water vapor present in air, decides the density of the air. The reason is that the density of air changes with the change in temperature, because when the temperature increases, the volume increases, hence the density decreases. With the change of water vapor present in it, okay, what happens if the water vapor increases in the air? Then the number of air molecules decreases, hence that also results in the decrease in the density of air. So the density of air decreases with the increase in temperature and also with the increase in the amount of moisture present in it. So that is, the density of moist or humid air is less than the density of dry air, because dry air contains more air molecules than humid air. So consequently, the atmospheric pressure or the barometric height gradually decreases. Because of the decrease in the atmospheric pressure, the barometric height in the barometer also decreases. So this will help us to um, know about the weather in advance. Thus, the change in the atmospheric pressure helps us to know about the weather in advance. So, by seeing the barometric height, the weather forecast can be made as follows. Okay, number one, if the barometric height at a place suddenly falls, right, it means that the pressure at a place has suddenly decreased, which indicates coming of a storm or a cyclone. So sudden fall in the barometric height, right, will suggest that coming of a storm or cyclone. Next, if the barometric height gradually falls, it indicates that the moisture is increased, hence there is a possibility of rain. So gradual fall, possibility of rain. Now, just opposite of this, point number two, the gradual increase in the barometric height means that the moisture in air is decreasing. This indicates a dry weather. Number four, a sudden rise in the barometric height means the flow of air from the place to other surrounding low pressure areas. This indicates coming of an extremely dry weather, right? Extremely dry weather. So that is the sudden rise in the barometric height. Okay. Now coming to the last point, which is, if there is no abrupt change, if there is no noticeable change in the barometric height, it indicates that the atmospheric pressure is normal, that is, the weather will be fine and will remain unchanged. Okay, this much for this video. Thank you so much.